thought that number one would surely be me. I thought I would be what I wanted to be. I thought I would build on life's sinking sand, but I can't even walk without you holding my hand. I thought I could do a lot on my own. I thought I could make it all alone. I thought of myself as a mighty big man, but I can't even walk without you holding my hand. Lord, I can't even walk without you holding my hand. The mountain's too high and the valley's too wide. Down on my knees I learned to stand, because I can't even walk without you holding my hand. I think that I'll make Jesus my own. From now on, when I'm in trouble, on Him I'll call. If I don't trust Him, I'd be left